Hello and welcome to the Heating Jack Show. The other day I had a customer call and he asked if he could use the infrared remote controller to connect to two different heaters. The answer to this question is yes. I will demonstrate on 3 different controllers the connection and the setting of the controller and limiter. Very easy. I will hold it first to the controller and then it will connect. It is blinking white, has already connected. At the top says the name of the controller. Then I will push up or down. This first temperature is for the controller temperature. Then I will set it. Press OK. And then I am at the limiter setting. And then I can push up or down to the limiter. Press again OK. And then he will send the data to the controller. The data has been taken over from the controller. And now I can go to the next controller. Same procedure. Hold the infrared controller to the unit. Press up or down. Set the controller temperature. Press OK. Set the limiter temperature. Press OK. He sends the data. Already sent. He is set. So the next one, again the same procedure to connect. He's searching for the controller. He has found him. Now I push up or down to set the temperature, controller temperature, as this one does not have a limiter temperature. Then I press OK. He will set it, and it's all finished up. That was the Heating Jack Show. Thank you for watching.